Mastering SQL through video learning. Welcome to our SQL video tutorial, where we unravel the mysteries of databases. Let's dive into the world of structured query language. SQL is a cornerstone for managing and manipulating databases. It's your key to unlocking vast stores of data efficiently. First, we'll explore the basics of SQL, including its syntax and structure. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for any aspiring data professional. We'll then proceed to CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. These are the essential functions you'll perform on databases. Join us as we delve into more advanced topics like joins, transactions, and stored procedures. These concepts are vital for complex queries. With practical examples and clear explanations, we aim to equip you with the skills to navigate and manipulate databases with confidence. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial lights your path towards mastering SQL, a critical tool in the data world.